Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can link your account on Gemini AI with a Gmail. So let us guide you through it. Head over to gemini.google.com. Make sure that you're logged in with the associated Google account so that you may be given access to all other Google applications. So what you want to do guys is click into settings and help you in the bottom left corner. After that, select apps here. And here guys, you will see basically all applications provided by Google, like productivity apps, such as Gmail. So what you want to do is simply enable the linking here by turning it on. After that, confirm that by clicking into connect here. Excuse my poor English here. And after that, your Gemini AI will automatically be linked with your entire Google workspace, including Gmail, Google Drive, and so on and so forth. So, for example, you may get quick info from content in these Google productivity applications. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.